Start. The facts of the case briefly stated are that on 29/3/2015, a first information report under sections 363, 366 IPC was lodged at police station Ramnagar, district Barabanki by the opposite party number 2, Ghanshyam, father of the applicant number 1, alleging that wife of Parvesh have enticed away his daughter, applicant number 1, alleged to be 15 years of age. Although the applicant number 2 was not named in the FIR, his name was subsequently added and the name of all the persons made accused in the FIR were expunged. Upon coming into the light the fact that the applicant number 1 had married with applicant number 2. The applicant number 1 was produced before the Chief Medical Officer Barabanki for her medical examination, who certified her age to be 18 years. In her statement recorded under section 164 CRPC, which was recorded after expiry of a period of 4 years of the alleged incident and in pursuance of the direction issued by this court wide order dated 23/6/2016, passed in writ petition number 14565 of 2016, the applicant number 1 stated that she had gone away with the applicant number 2 out of her own free will and she married the applicant number 2 and is residing with him as his wife. She gave birth to a son who could not survive. She categorically stated that her father had lodged an FIR on false allegations and no wrong has been committed with her. She is living happily with the applicant number 2 as her parents used to beat her with sticks. She ran away with the applicant number 2 out of her own free will. A copy of the marriage certificate issued by the district marriage officer Barabanki has also been placed on record, in which the age of the applicant number 2 is mentioned to be 21 years and it has been certified that the applicant number 1 got married to the applicant number 2 on 9/7/2015. The applicants have also brought on record a copy of a certificate dated 5/3/2018 issued by the village pradhan certifying that the applicant number 1 is the wife of applicant number 2. They reside in village Utkhara police station and Tehsil Ramnagar, district Barabanki, and they had got a son, namely Kishan, who was born on 4/12/2017. The applicants have also filed a copy of mother and child care card issued by the Integrated Health Development Service National Health Mission, which states that the applicant number 1 gave birth to a son on 4/12/2017 and in this card apparently prepared in the year 2017. The age of applicant number 1 stated to be 20 years. By means of an order dated 4/4/2018, notice was ordered to be issued to the opposite party number 2 informant and the respondent state was also given opportunity to file its objections counter affidavit. The learned Chief Judicial Magistrate Barabanki has submitted a report dated 23/4/2018 stating that notice issued to the opposite party number 2 has been served in person, but in spite of personal service of notice, the opposite party number 2 has not filed any objection nor a counter affidavit in this case. The state has also elected not to oppose the application by filing a counter affidavit. It has been pleaded in the affidavit filed in support of the application that the applicants had filed writ petition number 14565 of 2016 seeking quashing of the FIR registered as case crime number 90 of 2016 under sections 363, 366, 376 IPC and 34 POCSO Act, Police Station Ramnagar, District Barabanki, lodged by the opposite party number 2 and by means of an order dated 23/6/2016. This court had disposed of the writ petition with a direction that till a report under section 173 CRPC was forwarded by the police, the applicant shall not be arrested in the aforesaid case crime. It has been pleaded by the applicants that the applicant number 1 was found to be major in her medical examination and was willing to go with her husband, applicant number 2. However, her father deliberately detained her and therefore the applicant number 1 had to approach this court again by filing writ petition number 21317 of 2016, and when the applicant number 1 was produced in this court, she categorically stated that she wanted to go with the applicant number 2, Tanu Yadav, son of Parag Yadav. By means of the judgment and order dated 19/9/2016, the aforesaid writ petition was allowed and the applicant number 1 was allowed to live her life as per her own wish, and since the applicant number 1 is residing with the applicant number 2 as wife and husband peacefully. The applicants had filed the instant application under section 482 CRPC on 2/4/2018 and on 4/4/2018. This court had passed an order issuing notice of the application to the opposite party number 2, which was served on him personally on 22/4/2018. However, the opposite party number 2 has not put in appearance in the case to contest the same, and it appears that he is not interested in prosecution of the applicant number 2, who is now the son-in-law of the informant opposite party number 2.